Former Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Andile Jali will continue to play and is now on the hunt for a new club, his representative Mike McCabe told a Disc Times publication. Jali had a glittering career, rising to stardom after joining Orlando Pirates from Amatax in 2009. After winning double trip, he moved to Europe, playing for Belgian side KV Ostende between 2014 and 2018. But Andile came back to South Africa in 2018 and continued where he left off, winning silverware after joining Mamelodi Sundowns. He won 8 more trophies, including 5 league titles at Cup before parting ways with the club at the end of 2022-2023 season. He started the 2023-2024 season with Morocco Swallows, where everything was going well up until the club faced financial issues in December, which led to his exit. Since then, Swallows struggled but managed to survive relegation. In the end of May, McCabe had explained that Jali will make a decision on whether he wants to continue playing or whether he will hang up his boots, and he's now decided to continue on the green grass. He confirmed that Jali will continue to play and they are now looking for a new club for the experienced midfielder. He said, "We had a meeting. AJ has made the decision. He wants to continue playing, which is something I'm happy with. Now the next thing is to look for opportunities for him and make the right decision." Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.